Alright, so today we're making a peanut butter and pickle taco. Ingredients are very simple. All you need are tortillas, peanut butter, and some petite dill pickles. Preferably not kosher, although if you're into kosher pickles, who am I to judge? So for peanut butter, you're going to want a decent amount. It's preferable that you get smooth or creamy peanut butter rather than the nut-filled variant, just because it spreads easier and you're already going to get plenty of crunch from the pickles. So you can see I'm just spreading the peanut butter. Got to make sure it is nice and evenly spread across. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter. So next, we get our pickles, and you're just gonna stick your hand in there and grab some pickles and put them on. Now I'm a big pickle guy, so I'm gonna go for 2 handfuls and put the lid on everything. Wash off your hand a little bit, get it all dried up, and then all you gotta do is get the edge of the tortilla. There we go. Kind of do a little shimmy action like this. Fold it up, fold in one side, and roll. And delicious.